What's up guys, we welcome all of you, it's me, Shivam. Previously, I posted a video on OFFICECRAck. You guys respond really good. I am happy for your support. Today's video is requested by subscriber, so today I am going to make video on MS Office 2016. As usual, I give a link in description. Step number 1. Open trusted browser. So I am using my Chrome. Search in Google, get into pc.com. Or directly go on to my description. I have given a link there. On search, click on first link, and here we go. It is showing that it is dangerous site, but it not, because the file is created here are scripted one. To go inside the site, click on details, and click on visit the site. It will open getintopc.com. Go on search, option type MS Office 2016, and click on enter. We arrived on list of Office and I am confused to download MS Office 2016 or 2019. Because of low RAM and low bits I download 2016, but you can download MS Office 2019. Here is option of 2 download 32 bits and 64 bit. Because of my computer it is 32 bits. So I download first, or if you have 64 bits download second one. To go on download, click on details and click on visit and continue.
Won't you say why you're a stranger now? Your eyes escaping mine when I sit you down. Don't you feel like we're holding on?
And here download start. It is almost 1.64 GB. I cut the video of download and install because it take more time. Here I'm going to prove you that I have installed the Office. You can see MS Word 2016 is installed and located into my PC. Now it's time for crack of MS Office 2016. Open extract folder, go on crack option and continue for online activation. Be sure that there should be internet connection. Oh sorry, I am connect my PC into internet by removing flight mode.
Kinda missing how we kicked it off. Always in overdrive, now the feeling's lost. Blind to notice, we've been losing touch. Long gone fairy tale, yeah we killed the rush. Been months of acting a fiction.
And it asks for administer permission. Give it yes and the process start. It will check whether your window is activate or not. It will check all the Microsoft program whether activate or not. It will check one by one. And here, if it comes, let's see MS Office is cracked or not. Successfully, it crack. For see my office is activated or not. Open Word, go on file. Click account, here you can see it is activated.
Your eyes escape mine when I sit you down. Don't you feel like we're holding on onto a fairy tale, but the magic's gone. Been months of bluffing the blushes and faking the butterflies.
Thank you very much for giving a precious time to us. If you think it worked or it is working, thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are new. Have a nice day, good.